In a world where treasures are often hidden in plain sight, there exists a story that begins not in the depths of the ocean, nor in the vaults of a bank, but in the palm of your very hand. Today I will take you on a journey into the mystery of a coin that many have seen, few have recognized, and almost no one could ever believe would reach the staggering value of $14 million. Yes, you heard me correctly. $14 million for a single coin. Welcome to World Coins Hub, the home of rare treasures and numismatic wonders. Before we reveal the secret behind this unbelievable coin, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because what I am about to share could change the way you look at coins forever. Imagine you are holding a coin from the year 2020, a year remembered for its challenges, but also a year that gave birth to one of the most fascinating pieces in modern numismatics, the Australian $1 coin. At first glance, you might dismiss it as ordinary, a simple piece of circulating currency issued by the Royal Australian Mint. And yet within this coin lies a story of rarity, beauty, design, and incredible value that has captured the attention of collectors across the world, particularly in the United States, where coin collecting is more than a hobby. It is a passion, a way of life, and a deep pursuit of history and investment combined. Now you might be asking, how does a coin minted so recently in 2020 rise to such astronomical value, to a price that rivals fine art, rare diamonds, and historic artifacts? To understand this, we must look closely at every detail of this coin. The Australian $1 coin of 2020 was struck in aluminum bronze, a golden-colored alloy that gives the coin its distinct shine. It carries a diameter of 25 millimeters, a thickness of 2.8 millimeters, and a weight of 9 grams. Precision, engineered to perfection. On the obverse side, the coin features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jody Clark, a portrait that represents authority, continuity, and tradition. On the reverse side, you will find the famous image of 5 kangaroos leaping, a national symbol of Australia representing strength, progress, and the beauty of its wildlife. But what makes this particular 2020 Australian $1 coin worth $14 million is not merely its metal composition, its design, or even its age. It is rarity and condition, two words that ignite the passion of any true numismatist. Rarity, because among millions of coins minted, a select few bear microscopic variations, errors, or special qualities that distinguish them forever. And condition, because grading the physical state of a coin determines its desirability and ultimately its market price. In numismatics, grading is everything. A coin can be common or legendary depending on how it is preserved. When you hear terms like mint, state proof-like, or circulated, you are stepping into the world of professional coin grading organizations like PCGS, the Professional Coin Grading Service, and NGC, the Numismatic Guarantee Company, dominate this field. They use a scale from 1 to 70. The Sheldon's scale, with 70 representing a flawless coin, a coin without blemish, scratches, or wear. For the 2020 Australian $1 coin, the specimen valued at $14 million is graded at the absolute highest level, a mint state 70. An impossible perfection in a coin that was meant for everyday use. Now pause for a moment and let that sink in. Imagine the odds of a coin passing through the minting process, surviving without a single imperfection, and then being recognized, preserved, and authenticated at the top of the grading scale by experts. This is not just luck. This is destiny, and collectors understand this. Destiny is worth fortunes. But let us add another twist to the tale. This coin is not only perfect, it also belongs to a category of coins known as error rarities. Coins that, due to slight mistakes in production, acquire qualities that make them unique in the numismatic universe. Some carry a double strike. Some reveal off-center designs. Some bear planche flaws. And yet, when combined with absolute perfection in condition and the symbolism of 2020, The year of global history, it transforms from currency into legend. You might ask, how is value determined? Who decides that this coin is worth $14 million? The answer lies in auctions, in collector demand, and in the narratives that numismatists and investors build around treasures. Like this one, the value is not only in the metal or the strike, but in the story, the year, the rarity, and the impossibility of replacing it. And when collectors with deep pockets compete in major auctions at firms like Heritage Auctions or Stack's Bowers, the price escalates until it reaches numbers that seem impossible to the average person. And yet, this is not a fantasy. This is the reality of numismatics, a field where a penny minted in 1943 from steel has fetched hundreds of thousands, where a single gold coin from the United States, the St. Gaudens Double Eagle, has sold for more than $10 million, and where now the 2020 Australian $1 coin has entered history. At 14 million, collectors in the United States are particularly drawn to this coin, not only because of its rarity, but because it represents the global nature of numismatics. It is not only American coins that reach astronomical value, but treasures from across the world. Every collector knows that adding an international rarity to their collection enhances both prestige and portfolio. Now let us dive deeper into the technicalities, because true collectors want the details. The coin has a weight of exactly 9 grams, crafted in aluminum bronze, an alloy composed of 92% copper, 6% aluminum, and 2% nickel, giving it a golden luster that resists tarnish. The thickness, as I mentioned, is 2.8 millimeters, slim, yet solid enough to carry history. The diameter, 25 millimeters, perfect for the palm, and yet heavy with, meaning condition is paramount, and only those coins kept untouched in sealed protective cases known as slabs, issued by grading companies like PCGS and NGC, can ever hope to achieve legendary values. But you might now be wondering, if I had such a coin, how would I sell it? Where would I take it? How would I secure its true worth? This is a question every collector asks, and here is the truth. Never sell a rare coin in haste. Never take it to a pawn shop or a casual buyer, because rarity demands expertise and global reach. The best way to sell a coin of this magnitude is through professional auction houses like Heritage Auctions, Stack's Bowers, or even Sotheby's and Christie's, where international bidders compete, driving up the value to its true market price. Additionally, online platforms certified by PCGS or NGC marketplaces ensure authenticity and attract serious collectors. But let me leave you with a cliffhanger, because even as you think you now know the story, there is still one more secret. Why do collectors chase coins like this? Why spend fortunes for a piece of metal? The answer lies in 3 things: history, rarity, and legacy. History, because every coin is a frozen moment in time. Rarity, because scarcity fuels desire. And legacy, because owning such a coin places your name forever in the record books. Think about it: when a coin like the 2020 Australian $1 sells for $14 million, it is not just the coin that is remembered. It is the collector, the seller, the auction, and the legacy that follows forever. And here is the final challenge to you, the viewer. What if the next legendary coin is sitting right now in your pocket, in a drawer, in a jar of change at home? What if you are holding history without knowing it? This is why you must stay curious, stay passionate, and most importantly, stay connected with us, here at World Coins Hub. If you enjoyed this incredible journey into the story of the $14 million Australian $1 coin, smash the like button, leave a comment telling us what coin you treasure most, and above all, subscribe right now to World Coins Hub, because our next video will take you even deeper into the mysteries of coins worth millions. You do not want to miss it. Share this video with friends, collectors, and anyone who thinks coins are just spare change, because today we proved that they are keys to fortune and history. This is World Coins Hub, signing off, reminding you that every coin has A story, every collector has a dream, and every dream can become a legacy. Stay subscribed, stay curious, and together, let us uncover the treasures of the numismatic world.